Chapter 1. He adored New York City. He idolized it all out of proportion. No, make that, he romanticized it all out of proportion. Better. To him, no matter what the season was, this was still a town that existed in black and white and pulsated to the great tunes of George Gershwin. Now, let me start this over. Chapter 1. He was as tough and romantic as the city he loved. Behind his black-rimmed glasses was the coiled sexual power of a jungle cat. I love this. New York was his town, and it always would be.
Manhattan, starring Woody Allen.
Well, okay, well, tell me, why'd you get a divorce?
Why? I got a divorce because my ex-wife left me for another woman. Okay?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
God, that must have been really demoralizing.
I don't know. I thought I took it rather well under the circumstances.
Ooh-wee.
I tried to run them both over with a car.
Diane Keaton.
No. You're much different. You're much different. Yes, you're someone I could imagine having children with.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, hit the lights. Go ahead, turn them out again.
Michael Murphy.
You don't want to make a commitment, and I don't want to break up my marriage and then find out that we're no good together.
The point is, what the hell am I doing in this relationship anyway? My phone never stops ringing. I could go to bed with the entire faculty of MIT if I wanted to. It's just, I don't know, I'm wasting myself on a married man.
Mariel Hemingway.
I'm glad you could get out tonight, you know, because I really did want to see you a lot.
I like it when you get an uncontrollable urge.
Yeah, I know, it's my best feature.
Meryl Streep.
Hey, don't write this book. It's a humiliating experience.
It's an honest account of our breakup.
Jesus, everybody that knows us is going to know everything.
Look at you, you're so threatened.
Hey, I'm not threatened, because of the two of us, I was not the immoral, psychotic, promiscuous one. I hope I didn't leave out anything.
Anne Byrne.
Is this true? Did you make love with Jill and another woman?
She put that in there? I'm sorry, she wanted to. I didn't want to be a bad sport. I came here to strangle you.
Nothing I wrote was untrue.
What do you mean? That book makes me have to be like Lee Harvey Oswald.
It's an honest account of our marriage.
I think I'm still in love with Yale.
You are or you think you are?
I started seeing him again.
I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm surprised.
Look, I love her. I've always loved her.
So what, you liked it now? You don't like it? You did like it? You know, it's still early. You can change your mind one more time before dinner.
You are so self-righteous, you know? I mean, we're just people. We're just human beings, you know? You think you're God.
I gotta model myself after someone.